In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video background color in CapCut Desktop. To get started, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once it launches, either create a new project if you're starting fresh, or open an existing project if your video is already saved there. This gives you access to the editing workspace where you'll make all the changes. Next, add your video to the timeline. If your clip is already in the project, just make sure it's placed in the timeline and ready to edit. Then click directly on the video clip so CapCut knows which layer you want to work with. This is important because background removal settings only apply to the selected clip. Now move to the right side panel and click the Video tab. This is where you'll find the main controls for your clip. From there, click Remove BG. After that, enable auto removal. CapCut will begin detecting the subject in your video and separating it from the background automatically. Depending on the length and complexity of the clip, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time to process. Once the removal is complete, check the preview window carefully. This helps you make sure the subject looks clean and that the background has been removed properly. If the cutout looks good, you're ready to add your new background color. Click the plus button above the timeline, then add a color background or color canvas, depending on what your version of CapCut shows. After adding it, choose the color you want to use as your new background. You can go with something simple like white or black, or pick a brighter color if it better fits the style of your video. After selecting the color, place that color layer below the main video layer in the timeline. This step matters because the subject from your original video needs to stay on top while the new background sits behind it. If the color layer is in the wrong position, the result won't display correctly. Now return to the preview window and review the result again. If needed, adjust the background color until it looks the way you want. This is a good time to consider contrast as well, since your subject should stand out clearly against the new color. Finally, preview the project from start to finish and confirm that the new background color appears properly behind the subject. Once everything looks right, your background color change is complete and your video is ready for the next stage of editing.